guys, it's Diana. Thought I'd come in and show you what I made out of some junk. So this is a cat food box that my cat has. It comes with sachets of cat food in there. Oops, I'm wobbling the camera. And there's 6 in this box normally. They stand up. And I thought, hey, I'm not going to throw this box out. I like the flip top lid. So what's that? Glue. Okay, that one's got some glue, but normally they're pretty, pretty flat. They're not got weird ridges on them or anything, so it's all really flat. And I thought, hey, I'm not going to throw it out. I like this flip top, lid thing. So I made this. Huh? So it's the same box, but you can't even tell that it was cat food. So I'll put a little knob on. See how it opens? It's all mosaiced. I used chipboard. Hang on a second. Chipboard. Whoops. Oh, everything's in my way. Chipboard tiles. You'll have seen me make chipboard tiles or tiles on my channel here. So they're just the tiles that now I have this much left. It was a whole heap of them that I did for a picture. I did like a frame kind of thing, and I put a photo of my husband and my son in it. This was what was left over. Well, more than this, but like I've decided to use them in this box. I have more actually of the same, because it's just I was saying a lot. I haven't made a video for a while and can't think. The scrapbooking paper, the 12 by 12 paper, 6 by 6 whatever, and gel prints. I use gel prints as well to make the images, but I have another bundle here, this was a bundle I was just showing you. Another bundle that hasn't even been finished. These ones are just, you can see the difference if I show you how this one is. Where am I? How it's shiny. Well, these ones, which is some from the same lot that I did, are not shiny. They're matte because I haven't coated them yet. They're not, I emboss them with embossing powder to give them the coating. It takes a long time to do them, but once they're done, then you have, a whole bunch of them to use on projects and stuff. Anyway, back to this. I'll put some feet on the bottom, painted them black. They're just little spools because I didn't have anything, but I was talking to the girls in Stacey's live stream last night, and Myra was actually saying those glass pebbles that you can get that you put into vases for flowers and things, they would make good feet, and she's right, because I've used them as feet before, but I've totally forgot about that, and I don't actually think I've got any of those. I'd have to go and purchase them, but these are what I used. Little baby spools. They're so tiny, like, oh, I've only got enough for 2 boxes of those spools, but I've got several of these boxes already. The only thing is, when you open the box, it's got like a perforation where you rip it open. I have to be careful not to rip the actual thing, because it's really easy to rip this part because it's got like a little lip in it where it attaches to this bit, so you can close it. But if that rips, then it's harder to do the mosaic on, because you've got to have that. That's where, I don't know if I can show you, but that's where the knob goes through. Yeah, so anyway, so that's how it turned out. I don't know if you can see very well. I can't see very well. My eyeballs aren't as good as they used to be. The screen is up there and it's tiny, and I can't really see what I'm showing you because it's blurry, unless I put my glasses on, which I didn't do. So yeah, I put some little glass hearts. They're like a tiger's eye kind of thing, or I don't know. They're kind of, I don't know. Don't know how to I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, so that's that. That's the top and the back. The back, with the back, I had to be careful because you can't put anything here. You can see that strip there. I can't put anything there because that's where it opens, so that folds. So you can't put any, where is it? You can't put anything there because that needs to open. Okay, so, and I did test it while I was doing it to see how much room I needed to leave, and when you put the glue, it doesn't dry straight away, so my tiles were actually moving, and then when I went like that, they moved back, and I knew exactly how much room I needed to leave there, so that was good. The trickiest part was getting the shape right for the front flap, but I've actually made myself a template now, and I can do the next box because all the boxes are the same. I can do them quicker. Anyway, I think it turned out cute with its little feet. I want to do, even though I've got all these blue teal tiles left, I want to do some in pink. I want to do a pink theme as well, and then I can do other themes as well. Just cut, you know, the designer paper, make the tiles whatever theme you want. Like I said, I had these left over from another project, so yeah, so I used some hearts and some little acrylic things, some little diamante thingies there, and some chain, and yeah, some beads even, and some micro beads in spots. They're not everywhere. They're a pain in everything to work with, but there is some spots I've put little micro beads in. They just fly everywhere. They're just really annoying. But yeah, mostly just other stuff. And now I've run out of ball chain because I put the ball chain all the way around, and around the sides, around there. I've run out of ball chain to do the thing. I've only got I've got the rose gold ball chain and a little bit of a dark bronze colour. I'm going to have to get some more ball chain because I don't have, oh, wobbling you again. I don't have enough to do another one of these with any other colour but rose gold. So, but the pink will look nice with rose gold anyway. And my camera is telling me what? That my memory card's full? No, you're not. I just emptied you. What the heck? I don't know. Anyway, everything technology-wise is crazy in this house right now. My phone dies every single day. Every single day I have to charge it. I'm like, what's going on? So now I think I need a new phone. So that's great because I can't really afford one. But anyway, tell me what you think about this box. I'm going to make another one. I just thought I'd show you that not all junk is junk. Turn your stuff into something. I'm looking around the house now for everything and I'm like, oh, this is a cute box. Oh, this is a cute. This is from chocolate mousse, a chocolate mousse pudding thing that you get like at Aldi. I'm going to turn it into I'm going to cover it in polymer clay and it's going to be like a trinket storage thing. Well, it's a trinket storage thing anyway for me because I just had all these bits in here. But I'm going to cover it in polymer clay and flowers and polymer clay flowers and stuff. I've got about 5 of these that I saved. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching guys. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.